G'day Dodgers, welcome back to Blinky's Build It All. This is a video that is the first of the 3D Ranch videos that I'll be doing on my 3D printing. I've got a new Creality Ender 3 version 2 that I've started using in the last couple of weeks, and I've just been doing some test prints, seeing how it turns out and getting it adjusted and calibrated and finally set up. Here in this video, I'm printing a little figurine for one of my children. Jessica asked for a Among Us character, so that's currently printing in an orange Flash Forge filament. Hard one to say, that one, all in a run. It's printing out at the moment. That print took about 2.5 hours to do, compressed down into a couple of small clips of about 3 minutes for this. In the future, you'll be seeing more about what I do with this printer, some of the new things that I've done. I've already started making a few things for mods that need to be done to the printer just to make things work a little bit better. Like I've moved the filament roll into a different position, and I'll be making some cable chain to protect the cable and hold it in better alignment, and making a few other bits and pieces. And then we'll be getting on to printing the items that I bought the machine for. There's some add-on pieces to upgrade my Logitech pedal system for my sim rig. I'll be also making some furniture with my Timberwork stuff. I'll be making some doll houses and other things, and the 3D printer will be making the furniture for that, along with some other things I'll be trying. So keep watching along here. You'll see at the end of this video the pictures of the little figurine printed off, and we'll see further 3D Ranch videos coming up with some more and interesting stuff as we go along. So watch along for the last minute of this video, enjoy your time and stay safe, guys.